Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Airtable for SEO keyword research. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. First up, create a new base on Airtable. It's as simple as clicking Add a Base and selecting Start from Scratch. Now, why is this important? Well, having a dedicated base keeps your keyword research organized and easily accessible. It's your main working space. Once you've created your base, it's time to set up your columns. You'll need a column for your keyword, search volume, keyword difficulty, and relevancy. The reason we do this is to have all our keyword data in one place, making it easier for us to analyze and make informed decisions. Now that we've done that, let's dive into the actual SEO keyword research. You can use tools like SEMrush or Google Keyword Planner to find your keywords. Once you've got your list, you're going to populate your Airtable base. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. By entering this data, we're essentially building a keyword bank that we can pull from when optimizing our content. Next up, you'll want to sort your keywords by their relevancy and keyword difficulty. This helps us because it allows us to prioritize our keywords based on what's most relevant to our content and what's most likely to rank. Now, with your sorted list of keywords, it's time to start optimizing your content. Let me explain why this matters. By using these keywords in your content, you're signaling to search engines what your content is about, which can help improve your search engine rankings. And that's it. You've just learned how to use Airtable for SEO keyword research. Remember, the key is to stay organized and make data-driven decisions. Until next time, happy researching.